Hi friend, this is the program to find out number of digit in a given number using Java programming. First we write the main method. Then define the variable which is used during writing this program. Int number and count is equal to 0. Here we want input given by the user, so we use a scanner object. New scanner system dot in and what number enter any number then this line next line will define that what is user enter number is sc dot next integer. Then we use for loop for define the range of number. Range is count 0 to number should be greater than 0 and number if the number is divisible by 10, number is equal to number divisible by 10 divided by 10. Then if the number divided by 10, then count the number, count plus 1, then print that number in the form of format. The number of digit in the entered number is equal to %d, comma count. Then save the program and run the program. Let's enter the 453. The number of digit in the enter number is 3. That's it.